Hai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning guys. How are you today? How do you feel today? I hope all of you feeling happy today and with me again, Miss Eni. So it's me. Yes, today we are going to learn English. Yeah, today we are going to learn English still in Unit 1 about nature. Okay, and today's lesson we are going to learn about vocabulary of nature and express of quantity. And our lesson's aim today, we are going to learning a new vocabulary of nature and learning new structure about expressing quantity. And our keyword for today, nature. There are, some, or any. Okay, I will give you some of vocabulary of nature. And now please listen and repeat the vocabulary. And before we start our lesson, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay guys, here they are the vocabulary.
Listen and repeat. A.
Ants.
B.
Worms.
C.
Spiders.
D.
Butterflies.
E.
Roses.
F.
Rainbow.
G.
Wind.
H.
Sky.
Okay guys, now I will explain to you about express quantity. Okay, pay attention to me. I will explain to you about the example. The first example, look at the first example. There are some spiders. How many spiders are there? Ada berapa banyak spiders? Okay, very good. More than one, lebih dari satu. Kenapa kalian tahu lebih dari satu? Okay, good job. Karena di situ ada tambahan s. Kalau ada tambahan s, spiders, berarti artinya lebih dari satu. Kalau hanya spider, tidak ada s-nya, jadi only one. Oke, karena lebih dari satu, jadi kalian menggunakan there are some spiders. Okay, the next example, this is still a sentence. There aren't any spiders, or there are not any spiders. Karena di kalimatnya ada kata not, there are not. Nah, jadi sampingnya harus menggunakan ini. There are not any spiders. Okay, do you understand? Okay, next. The second example. This is the questions. Is there a rainbow? If your answer yes, you can say yes, there is. But if your answer no, you can say no, there isn't. Oke, karena ini bentuk pertanyaan ya. Nah, pertanyaannya bertanya is there a rainbow? Is there? Hanya ada dua jawaban, ya atau tidak. Kalau jawabannya ya, yes, you can say yes, there is. Kenapa there is? Karena based on the question, berdasarkan questionnya atau pertanyaannya menggunakan is there. So jawabannya there is dibalik. Paham? Kalau jawabannya no, you can say no, there isn't. Tambah not saja di belakangnya. No, there isn't, or no, there is not. Okay, do you get it guys? The next example, this is question. Okay, is there any wind? If your answer is yes, you can say yes, there is some wind. If your answer no, you can say no, there isn't any wind. Ya, perhatikan pertanyaannya. Pertanyaannya menggunakan is there. Jadi jawabannya harus menggunakan, ya dibalik ya, is there di jawabannya menjadi there is. Yes, there is, atau no, there isn't. Okay. The last example. Are there any ant? If your answer yes, you can say yes, there are. If your answer no, you can say no, there aren't, or no, there are not. Oke guys, lihat pertanyaannya. Pertanyaannya menggunakan apa? Yes, are there. Ya, jadi jawabannya dibalik saja. Yes, there are. No, there aren't. It's very easy guys. Do you understand? There is and there are used to talk about things you can see and to express quantity. There is for singular nouns and there are for plural nouns. Jadi there is dan there are itu digunakan untuk mengungkapkan berapa banyak benda yang kamu lihat, ya. Nah, there is ini digunakan untuk benda yang jumlahnya hanya satu. Itu there is. Kalau there are digunakan untuk benda yang lebih dari satu. Lebih dari satu berapa saja ya? 2, 3, 4, 5 dan sebanyak-banyaknya. Jadi kalian menggunakan there are. Oke? I have another picture guys. And the sentence, there are some butterflies. There are. Kenapa menggunakan there are? Yes, very good. Karena butterflies-nya more than one. Karena butterflies-nya lebih dari satu. Oke, good job. And another example, there are not any spiders. There are not any spiders. Ya, kalau dalam kalimat ada kata not-nya, there are not, so you use any. There are not any spiders. Okay? And the next example, this is question, and look at the picture. And the question is there a bird? The answer is no, there isn't. There is a mushroom. Ya, karena pertanyaannya menggunakan is there, jadi jawabannya pun menggunakan there is. Oke. Oke guys, I think enough for today. Thank you for your time to watch this video. I hope all of you can understand my explanation. Okay, and please don't forget doing the activities in quizzes. Okay, if you have any question, please ask me. And see you on the next meeting. And say alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.